My dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. This is Muhammad Altaf with you. Today I am going to teach you regarding the how the track changes. Track changes means कि by use of widow woman who is absolutely out of blood relation and widow within blood relation, that is second cousin सिस्टर. तो शुरू करते हैं बिस्मिल्लाह से, यानी या रहमान, या रहमान रहमानी. रहमानी means the person, the Almighty God who has been in the process who has been having the maximum maximum use of another. Whereas Rabbil Alamina does not have. That is why in the organization system, this is came down from sky, Allah. Then it converted into Al-Rahman. After this is the finger, this is the hips, we have the slots, the penis and this one, and just shelter of the penis. This is the body of Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim is the combination of male and female. He has penis, he has an erectile penis, he has vagina. Okay? This is the organization system. Okay? Then this is according to right now Bismillah. This is according to Qul Huwallahu Rahman. So this is the finger. This nail has been cut after as soon as a person allowing to cut the nail of Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, that is front finger, the umpire finger, then it becomes the pronounceless. It cannot be pronounced anymore. That is why Bismillah, यानी कि Bismillah हो, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahman. In bracket this. Because this is belonging to Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. So Ar-Rahmanu and bracket में is. After that, Rabbil Alamina, Rabbil Alamina, this is Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. What is the difference between Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahmanu and Rabbil Ar-Rahmani and Rabbil Alamina and Maliki Yawmiddin? I already taught this particular subject. If you go through my YouTube channel, you see the videos which I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. When you look one by one, then after you will see this thing, which I am speaking now. Maliki Yawmiddin. This is indirectly or directly. This is indirectly. Okay. Directly is Ar-Rahmani then Rabbil Alamina and Maliki Yawmiddin. Up to what extent we can make please to Rahmani, and up to what extent we can please to Rabbil Alamina and as well as Maliki Yawmiddin. So both having the all three having the identities based on the amal followed by the certain extent. Now, when a person who got married with general wife, that is Nisai, Nisai. Nisai means the lady who is married and absolutely out of blood relation. Okay? Can be virgin and virgin or widow. If it is virgin, this is known as general wife. General wife. In case of widow, out of relations is known as attached wife. Attached wife, okay? So, the identity of Almighty God as Rahman Rahim is that the all amal which are being written in Al Quran which have been designed in a extent that Al-Rahman Rahim, a married man who can please to him by using the general wife who is out of filtration. Okay, out of filtration. Okay, inside. Because with the general wife who must be virgin at the time of marriage. Okay. At the time of marriage. Okay. Whereas, whereas, oh no. So the virgin, when a man gets married with general wife, their particular Almighty God is known as Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahman. Okay? Because Ar-Rahmani is the body of Ar-Rahmani is the combination of male and female, and that combination get and that combination will be connected when a man and woman gets married. After getting married, their Almighty God to get the energy with husband and wife, it is the particular A combination. When virgin, then general wife gets the satisfaction simultaneously, their subdivision particular who has been in the process of receiving the energy, who is Rahman Rahima, as the particular couple wife gets satisfaction, same moment simultaneously Rahman Rahim gets the satisfaction via her Vijna, via his Vijna. Okay. Husband uses penis and Rahman Rahim uses his finger. Okay. And finger arm. Okay. after that, husband get the ejaculation, then simultaneously Ar-Rahmani does the masturbation by use of his palm, holding his own penis, his masturbation, and after that he gets the ejaculation. As the husband gets the ejaculation, same moment simultaneously Rahmani gets the ejaculation. Okay, this is the usage or extent of Ar-Rahmani. And Rabbil Alamina, Rabbil Alamina, its usage is by use of not his general wife. By use of general wife, the activation takes place via vagina. In case of Rabbil Alamina, it is by use of widow. Attached wife or sponsored wife. Sponsored wife means this second cousin, sister. Okay. Second cousin, sister. By use of widow, attached wife is also known as Nisai, but not virgin. This is also general wife called Nisai. Virgin, this is Nisai, general wife. But she is virgin at the time of marriage. Case of widow, she cannot be virgin, and so Rabbil Alamin's extent up to use of widow, attached wife, sponsored wife, and by use of al-ayati of al-Quran. By use of widow, attached wife, then sponsored wife, then by use of al-ayati of al-Quran. Number 4, by each. Okay. In this case, when husband meets with his wife, in case of general wife, via he has to use her vagina only. In case of general wife. And rest of all of the points 1, 2, 3, 4 by use of widow, azwaje or nisae, widow and alayati of al-Qur'an and preaching to people. How it is use enacts into active manners of Rabbil Alamina. This is the extent of difference between Ar-Rahmani and Rabbil Alamina. Very slight difference. Rabbil Alamina is known as the particular pierce Almighty God, the subdivision who has been in the process of getting the energy. That time Rahmani's identity is known as Rabbil Alamina. By use of widow, that is wife, who is out of blood relation, by use of sponsored wife, who is Zwazi, a second cousin sister, widow, and Alayati of Al-Quran, and by preaching. By using this 1, 2, 3 points, the action takes place with Bilal Mina via his an active NS. Okay? The main thing. Because this is the attached wife is that wife who is Nisai but widow is her husband died already, so she became the widow. Her husband died means in hereafter in Al-Jannata he will rejoin with his wife. So he is widow, but his husband is here, but dead. He will join in Al-Jannata. So this is others wife, but time being it is allowed then some other person who has been having the eligibility and qualification, main qualification, then he can use her. So in this case, when a man meets with his attached wife, Messiah, means he does the sex via vagina. Okay. is the sex via vagina. Okay. But same moment that with the rapid almina via his active anus. Okay. He used vagina, but in the sky the track changes from vagina to active anus because via vagina he can satisfy to that wife who is out of relation widow. Okay, temporarily he can use as attached wife, not general wife. He cannot make the pregnant since she is not his wife. Make sure. So other's wife, by using the other's wife, that is, it has been allowed only a widow, attached wife, or widow sponsored by Azwaji and alike. These are considered as widow. And in case of widow, although if out of blood relation, then the person meets with her via her vagina. But Rabbil Alamina does not activate via his vagina, whereas via active anus. Only the husband can satisfy and make pregnant with his general wife. Okay. But he can use the vagina only in case of out of blood relation, but in the sky with his particular subdivision or the track changes. Track change only with the particular principles of Al-Rahman. There is no any changes in his principle. Out of blood relation, the husband cannot sex with her via her vagina activeness. So he will use vagina, but in the sky, Rabbil Almina, then track changes from in the way track changes from vagina to his activeness. The finger will act in his activeness. This is the difference between identity of Ar-Rahmani and Rabbil Alamin. This comes under Ar-Rahmani. Ar-Rahmani, Almighty God position is, as Ar-Rahmani is because of this amal. And identity of Ar-Rahmani as Rabbil Alamina is when a person does this amal by use of his wife or by use of either wife like out of blood relation and within blood relation, that is second cousin, and alayati of al-Quran. These are five, nine numbers or alayati in internal Quran. Okay, and by preaching and self-reading and understanding al-Quran also. In this case, Rahmani's position is known as Rabbil Alamina, and when the identity of Almighty God as Rabbil Alamina, that means in no case he gets the satisfaction via his Vijna, whereas he gets satisfaction via his active awareness due to the system has been designed in such a way that the honesty. His husband is not in this world. This is the temporary person who has been engaged with the widow, but not as a fully husband, only half husband, part husband. He cannot pregnant to neither his wife nor his sponsored wife. In case of blood relation, second cousin, he cannot satisfy her in fertile land. He has to go in the desert. Here he can satisfy to his sponsored wife, who is known as Azwaje. To Azwaje, he can satisfy in only in the desert land of the world. Of the world. This is must know. And the identity of Malik Yawmiddin of Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, it is when the person who obtain the attendance once in 24 hours, known as Rabbil Alamina, but the person who gets attendance in day and night, both the meridian, then the position of Al-Rahmani is known as Maliki Yawmiddin. Okay. This is a use of widow, taste wife. This is out of blood relation, taste wife. He will meet with her by use of her Vijna. Since out of blood relation lady having sex with via her non-active anus, it is strictly prohibited, very strictly prohibited. He has to sex via her Vijna. by use of widow or his wife who is out of blood relation, we will use now what the 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 reaction takes place with the Rapillarmina on the sky automatically that changes from Regina to activeness. Okay, clear? Okay, this is the clear. The honesty of Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, it is this. And same time, this also, there also comes a result that no person can satisfy to others' wife. In case of her husband is alive. No. Only after death. Then the identity is known as Rabbil Alameen. This is the temporary husband. It is called the attached husband or sponsored husband in case of blood relation wife, that is second cousin widow. So the life of woman, it is very sensitive in case of getting towards the success, and slight mistake takes her into the disaster position in her life. If he loses her virginity before marriage, she has to maintain his virginity till she got married. He has to make safe his virginity. If any woman loses her virginity, that means she is no more general wife. And after losing the virginity and she got married with other man other than who damaged his virginity. That means she falls under she falls under attached wife. System. See the sensitivity of system. As soon as she lost her virginity before marriage and she got married with other than that person who damaged her virginity, then his identity falls under the attached wife. This is widow lady. And when a widow lady get married with any man, that means he cannot make her pregnant. If she hided the activity which he did before marriage, the widow lady, the person who got married with her, he will meet via her vagina. But track changes as far as satisfaction is concerned. If it is limited up to getting satisfaction, that is okay. Track changes automatically. But her husband does not know that she already lost her virginity before marriage with other person, and he is satisfying her, followed by he also making the pregnant. This gives the, this not give, this makes the system crash, and ultimately this is known as the disaster of their life with a severe punishment in the hell. This try to understand this point, how the track changes. Track does not change with the virgin lady who maintained safe her virginity to her husband. Loyal wife. And in other case, a woman who lost her virginity and she hid with her husband. Abdul knows that she have done the blunder mistake, but she hid it and never disclosed this thing, and her husband is thinking she is a loyal girl, loyal woman. Accordingly, he is using her with a general, as a general wife, satisfying her and making pregnant. A widow lady cannot make pregnant. Can satisfy but cannot make the pregnant. The person who already damaged her virginity, he is considered as dead. since he did not marry with her after that. First of all, before marriage, she has to maintain safe virginity. But he is considered as dead, and she soon after she becomes widow. If she married with other person, the widow lady cannot get the pregnancy anymore. When she gets the pregnancy, then the disaster starts in her life. Ultimately, when comes with the lady, it is also comes over all such people who have been connected with her, like her husband, her children, her parents, everybody will be affected. Make sure not to lose not to her virginity. In any case, before marriage. This is very important for women. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Provided she must be Yumina. Her belief is known as when what he has been having the faith in his mind and heart. If she is Yumina, then this thing, she has been preparing for Al Jannat heaven. Are disbeliever, for them it is nothing. Al Quran ayat is not for them. It is for them who have been believing in Al Quran. And Al Quran means supported with Muhammad. Not only he will teach whatever written in the Al Quran. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. Okay, see once more what I taught you from top to bottom. Be a loyal woman to get the blessings from the Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Who is the Rabbil Alameen and Maliki Yawmiddin. Be a loyal woman, not to approach with the disaster in her life after marriage. Hence, by and my name is Muhammad Iqbal. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.